State lawmakers are calling the cost of child care unsustainable. Families are paying a huge chunk of their incomes, and it's often early in their careers when they make less money. At the same time, costs are rising for providers faced with either finding a way to absorb the cost or having to raise their rates. As Callan Gray reports, a new proposal brought up during a committee meeting this month could help.
Justin Beisel has tried just about every childcare option as his 7 kids have been growing up.
Au pairs to in-home to private to centers.
The cost always a burden, even with his family's 2 incomes.
The younger they are, the more expensive they are.
The federal government recommends families spend about 7% of their income on childcare. But in Minnesota, the reality is, for infant care, for example, it's about 21% of the median family income, according to the Economic Policy Institute.
Did you ever have that conversation of, is this worth it?
Oh yeah, even recently we were like, is it just worth stopping?
I rewrite my budget over and over again.
Michelle Williams, a teacher, says she pays about 30% of her income for care for her daughters.
Almost impossible, you know, as far as I'm a single mom. Very stressful. I want to say I'm always like a week behind trying to pay them.
Stress felt by providers, too.
You want to be able to stay open, but the biggest challenge is getting paid on time, enough to be able to manage payroll every other week.
A new proposal from state lawmakers could help.
We're seeing this tremendous gap.
A DFL representative and senator suggest a reimbursement system to help families who don't currently qualify for aid, who make up to $176,000 a year. Under the plan, providers would receive the funding directly, and the discount would appear on a family's monthly invoice. The amount would be based on factors such as income, the number of children, and the age of the children.
We need something going into the future that supports families.
Mary Solheim is the director of Play School Childcare in Maplewood.
We need to have families not be so overwhelmed with childcare costs.
I want people of power to understand how life-changing this could be for so many people.
The details of the proposal, including the amount of money families could see getting back, are still being worked out. We expect to learn more at a press conference tomorrow morning. The legislative session starts in February.
And at that income level, if that sticks, that would help a lot of Minnesotans.
That is their goal.
Okay, thank you, Callan.
Callan, thank you.